Living Flame number 32, I am the vine. We read from John chapter 15. Jesus said to his disciples, I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine grower. He takes away every branch in me that does not bear fruit, and every one that does, he prunes, so that it bears more fruit. You are already pruned because of the word that I spoke to you. Remain in me as I remain in you, just as a branch cannot bear fruit on its own unless it remains on the vine. So neither can you unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. What a living flame this is. Living flame because this gives us an assurance that we are not on our own, that we are connected to someone, that we are not left to our own devices or our own resources. I am the vine, you are the branches. Such a consoling statement and promise from Jesus Himself. Ito po yung isang bagay na kinakatakutan ng maraming mga tao sa ating panahon ngayon. To feel alone, to be abandoned, to feel that there's no hand that he or she can reach out to in moments of need. Lalo na po sa mga senior natin, yan po ang palagian nating kinakatakutan sa buhay. I think in my many interactions and encounters with our elderly, they're not afraid to die. I have not seen someone in their later years or in their elderly years afraid of death. Ang lagi ko naririnig ay papunta rin naman tayo lahat doon. So every one of us has this sense of abandonment or a sense of surrender when our time comes. The main problem for the elderly nowadays is not preparing for death. It is about loneliness. It is when they ask themselves, what will happen to me now? All my children are grown up and they are not here in the house anymore. Ang mga apo naman ay maliliit pa, wala pa rin namang kakayanan din. Biyudo o biyuda na, kaya wala na ang kanyang kabiyak ng puso. So there is always the threat of loneliness for an elderly person. Hindi lang naman ang mga nakatatanda ang nakakaramdam nito. Even young people, we often hear them, no one understands me, no one accepts me, I feel so alone. Hindi lang naman din ang mga bata, pati na rin ang mga nasa pamilya o mga mag-asawa. It is quite ironic that many husbands and wives or many couples today would tell you, and they often tell me, I feel so alone in this relationship. It's as if I'm the only one trying to make an effort to save it. Parang napapagod na ako, Father, na mag-isa. Ito ang lagi natin naririnig sa maraming mga tao ngayon. Well, kapatid, in this living flame, the Lord is assuring you, I am the vine and you are my branches. And I will not allow it that you will be cut off from me. Remain in me, and you shall live. And if you do remain in me, that's also another thing about this imagery of the vine and the branches. Ang sabi ng Panginoon, if you remain in me, you will be pruned. Nanatili ka na nga, pero tatasahin ka pa din. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman magiging madali lagi. Hindi naman laging masaya. Hindi naman laging maliwanag ang lahat. Oftentimes, we will meet suffering, adversities, and hardships and trials. They are not meant to hurt us or to punish us. These adversities are meant to sharpen us. They are meant to help us to be more committed, to stay more, to cling more to the Lord. So this is the invitation for all of us. This living flame invites all of us. Remain in the Lord. Cling to the Lord. He is the vine. Ibig sabihin, as long as we remain in Him, we will live. We will not lose hope. As long as we stay with Him, we will be strong. We will not be overtaken or overcome by our weaknesses, by our failures, and by our faults in life. He is the vine. Jesus is the vine. We are the branches. It's a beautiful imagery of fidelity. It's a beautiful picture of Jesus always seeing to it that we are cared for, that we are not abandoned or forsaken. Paulit-ulit po tayo sa mensaheng ito. Kasi ito rin po ang kailangan ng maraming mga tao ngayon. You are not alone, kapatid. Sa mga kabataan, you are not alone. Jesus is the vine. He gives us nourishment. He gives us sustenance. He is the vitamin that gives us strength every moment of our life. Do not be afraid of Him. Come to Him. Cling to Him. Stay with the Lord. He is the vine. We are His branches.